Welcome to Word of the Day. Let's expand our vocabulary together. Today's word is natter. It means informal, to talk casually for a long time, especially about unimportant things. To chatter. Here are two examples using this word. They spent the afternoon nattering over coffee about all the local gossip. My mom can natter on the phone with her sister for hours. Some synonyms and antonyms to help you understand the word better. Synonyms are chat, chatter, gab. Antonyms are be quiet, listen, concentrate. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more daily vocabulary words.